A blinking green light on your Rogers Ignite pod indicates it's struggling to connect to the Ignite gateway, often due to backhaul issues or online status. This means the pod is trying to establish a connection but failing. Begin by power cycling both the pod and the gateway. Wait a minute and turn them back on. After they have been restarted and are fully on, check the app to see if the blinking light is still active. The app will guide you to test the connection between the pod and the gateway. This connectivity issue is the most common reason the light is blinking. The good news is that this test can be performed easily within the Ignite app and doesn't require much technical knowledge. If the online backhaul check identifies a weak signal, repositioning your pod is the next step. Move the pod closer to the gateway, ideally within 30 to 50 feet. Avoid obstacles like walls, microwaves, and metal objects that can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. The Ignite app has a signal strength meter to help optimize placement. For a more stable connection, consider using a wired Ethernet connection for the backhaul if possible. If problems persist, this eliminates wireless interference. As of late 2025, Rogers' Ignite system uses EasyMesh, a protocol designed to improve backhaul connectivity. In urban environments where wireless interference is high, prioritize wired connections. If problems continue after repositioning and testing, contact Rogers customer support. Many users find success with these troubleshooting steps, resolving blinking light issues and restoring optimal Wi-Fi performance.